All right, good day, viewers. I remind my humble self again. Otemu Ogeneyerowo. Teaching on YouTube. I encourage you, if not yet subscribed, to subscribe to my YouTube channel at Otemu. Mass success, irrespective of the country and the class you are viewing me from. God bless you. Now, before me on the board is logarithm of number less than 1. I've dealt with 2. I'm dealing with this other one again. In terms of multiplication and division. Maybe in the next video I'll talk about product and square and square root. Now, but this one, let us talk about this. It's a WASSCE objective number 1, 2023. Evaluate correct to 3 decimal places. 4.314 times 0.000056 divided by 0.0067. You can say, you can use power. Say 10 raised to 10 raised to power 0. You now find the number times 10 raised to power by 1. You can use this method to solve it. But I don't want to use that method to what? To solve. Let me use another method to solve, which is number and log. So now, I'll now write number and log. So when I write number and log, I'll now write this number. Here is 4.314, which is this. The other one is 0.1234. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So before the decimal point, we have one number. Since it's one number, is 0 point. Is 0 point. Why is bar 1, bar 2, bar 3, bar 4, bar 5? Here is bar 5. Look at it again. In standard form, minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4, minus 5, 5.6 times 10 to the minus 5. Now, let's look at the logarithm table. 43 under 1. 43 under 1 is 6345. 6345. 43 under 1 is 6345. Difference 4 is 4. Is 4. Which is 6349. 6349. So let's look at 56 under 0. 56 under 0 is 7482. 7482. Since we are multiplying, you will now add. I will call this numerator. I will call this numerator. So this plus 9 plus 2 is 11. Carry 1, 9 plus 4, 13. Carry 1, 8. There's no carrying here. Here give us 13. Carry 1. 1 plus minus 5, which 1 minus 5? It gives us minus 4. Now, what is the denominator? Is 0.0067. Bar 1, bar 2, bar 3. Here is bar 3. Now, we look at 67 under 0. 67 under 0 is 82. Is 8261. Since we are dividing, we subtract. Now, when you subtract, 1 minus 1 is 0. I will borrow 1 from here to give us 13. When you take 6 from 13, is 7. Because 7 plus 6 gives us 13. Now, take note, I will borrow 1 from here. Here remains 7. 7 minus 2 is 5. 7 minus 2 is 5. We cannot take 8 from 3, so I'll come and borrow here. So here will now be minus 5, while here is now 13. 13 minus 8. 13 minus 8 is another 5. Now take note, here is bar 5, which is minus 5, minus bracket minus what? 3. So minus 5 plus 3 is minus 2, which is bar 2. So we now go to anti-logarithm. Anti-logarithm, you look at 55 under 7. We don't have different 0. Anti-logarithm, 55 under 7. When you choose 55 under 7, we'll give you 3, 6, 0, 6. Anti-logarithm, 3, 6, 0, 6. When you go to anti-logarithm, give you 3, 6, 0, 6. And what's the characteristics there? Is bar 2. You have to put 2 0, which is 0.036. But take note, the question says we should approximate to 3 decimal places. So by approximation, decimal place means 1, 2, 3. The decimal point will move 3 times. It will not give us 0.036. Give us 0.036. God bless you.